Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 7th of August. The risk-on rally started by ECB President Draghi last week appears to be losing its momentum, and analysts expect the gains recorded by the risky assets to fade away. The Eurozone faces challenges that go beyond debt, and the regional leaders' priorities don't seem to be in line with each other. Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke played down a series of positive economic data and pointed out that the economy is still struggling. We saw the euro put a hold on its rally against the greenback, and even though it looks technically weak, any positive commentary on ECB bond buying could push the pair higher. The Australian dollar had a very slow day against the US dollar ahead of the rate decision by the RBA. Overnight, the nation's central bank decided to leave the rate unchanged at 3.5%. Gold advanced $6 higher from $1,605.06 to $1,611.15 an ounce. This is a relatively small move for the precious metal, and investors are readying themselves to benefit from a surge in volatility. The UK 100, which tracks the FTSE, advanced from 5747.8 to 5766.5, while the US 500, which tracks the SP 500, produced minute losses, dropping to 1389 from 1390.13. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 123.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 123.35. The dollar-yen pivot points at 78.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 78.45. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 105.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 105.30. The sterling dollar pivot points at 155.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 155.80, and the dollar CAD pivot points at 100.20 with a preference to enter into short positions at 100.20. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot points at 90.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 90.60. The gold pivot points at 1600 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1600. The silver pivot points at 27.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 27.55. The US 500 is 1382 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1382, and the UK 100 is at 5698 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5698. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the Swiss Consumer Price Index month-on-month in July forecast to drop by 0.6%, UK Industrial Output month-on-month in June forecast to drop by 3.4%, and Canadian PMI in July forecast to rise to 52.5. An interesting pair to watch is the New Zealand dollar, which has been trading above 0.82 mark against the Canadian dollar over the past 2 days, but appears in need of a catalyst for a break and hold above 0.8220 to record higher highs. Be interested to see whether the pair will continue this uptrend in a convincing manner. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.